What's going on, guys? I'm glad to be back. Today I have a Xbox One. If you recognize this Xbox One, I actually made a video beforehand where this Xbox turned on, makes noise, but you can't see any picture on the screen. During that time period, I was able to diagnose the problem at that time period, and correct the problem. If you didn't watch that video, the way I fixed this Xbox One, or the way I got the output to actually show up, was after turning it on, just leaving it turned on for about 20 minutes or so, and then turning the TV back on. You should have a video output. That's assuming after you tried a soft reset. Now, soft reset is just holding this down for 10 seconds. It should just power off and boot back on. That should just like shut the system off, assuming you try that. And you still didn't get a picture. But yeah, like I said, after trying that, leaving it connected to the TV while the TV was powered off, leaving it on and coming back, and yes, after 20 minutes, I was able to get a picture. But what I was gonna say is, after I fixed the problem, shortly after, give or take another 2-3 weeks, the problem came back. So I had to retake those steps, and it fixed the problem. And about, give or take, another 3 weeks later, because it was on and off, so I had to re-diagnose the problem, and I took a better look into this device. I actually had to open it up, see what's going on, and it comes to find out, after if you've checked the HDMI port and it looks good, it doesn't seem messed up at all, this one in this case is not damaged, no damage whatsoever. And if you've tried using a different HDMI cable too, if those results still come back the same, where you still have a black screen, I was able to fix this Xbox One by replacing the hard drive. Now, after replacing the hard drive and doing a little cleaning here and there, but it was mostly the hard drive. The reason I'm saying this is because after scripting the hard drive and using the offline software update, I was able to get this device to power on perfectly. So I was like, let me go ahead and try the old hard drive, and same thing, boom, back to square one. No picture, no output, no nothing like that. So in this case, if you do have a bad hard drive, that will cause the problem where you don't get a video output. Now, that's assuming that your HDMI is not damaged and you tried a different cable, because I don't want to just pinpoint you directly to that. You have to try a different HDMI cable, and verifying that the port is not bad. Let me get a good picture. The port, this output port, and it's not damaged. In this case, it's a little bit has a little wear and tear, but it's still functional. So after switching the hard drive, having it scripted and doing the software offline, this device is now fully functional as before. No I guess no black screen. It has since been a while. So if you have that problem, I recommend you get a new hard drive, and that should fix your problem. Now, if it doesn't, that's going to be a different topic. But yes, that's in my case, it was a hard drive. If you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.